Here is a dirty fireplace. We're gonna get this cleaned up, sweep the chimney, and then vacuum it all out. Okay, what we have here is a dirty fireplace. I brought my chimney sweep. So we're gonna get this cleaned up and close it off, sweep the chimney, and then vacuum it all out, and we should have a nice clean chimney by the end of it. It's pretty simple to do. I imagine you could rent these. I just happen to have one. So you just push it up and down and clean all the debris out of the flue, and that's it. So we'll give you a close-up on this, and we'll get this chimney cleaned. Okay, let's take a look inside. You can see there's some ashes there. But let's take a look inside. I'm going to turn my flashlight on here. Right here. And we can see if we can show you what it looks like up there. Alright, so you see the silt kind of built up this way. So there's the damper. Okay, so the other thing I like to do is to take a toilet bowl brush, but I don't really use it for toilets, and go underneath there and clean that out. Oh yeah, quite a bit of ash. Alright, I just stick that up the flue, and now I'm going to go on the roof and hit it with the brush.